Assalamu alaikum. I am Lord Qurban Hussain, member of the British House of Lords of Kashmiri origin. Today is 14th of August, and the whole Pakistani nation is celebrating Independence Day in Pakistan and abroad. I wish all the Pakistanis the best wishes on this occasion. I ask the Pakistani nation not to forget the plight of the Kashmiri people who are still waiting for their right of self-determination and going through some of the most difficult times as the Indian occupying forces are using every tactic to oppress them and to defeat them. They need your support. Please continue supporting the Kashmiri people, as I will, until they get their right of self-determination.